In this video, we'll be further reviewing types of factoring for Math 1201. The type of factoring we're going to review in this video is often referred to as a box method or decomposition. We'll first complete the decomposition method of factoring for 6x squared minus x minus 2, and in a following video, I will address the box method. Looking at the trinomial given here, we see 6x squared minus x minus 2. So the first thing we would normally try to do is see if I can divide everything by 6. But looking at this, I can see I can't divide 6 into negative 1 and receive a whole number, and I can't divide 6 into 2 and get a whole number. So instead, I'm going to look for a product and sum, which I get by multiplying the a and c values together, and again taking the center term. So I'm looking for a product of negative 12, and I'm looking for a sum of negative 1. With a little bit of thought, I see I've got 4 times 3 is equal to 12. I can see that these two numbers are separated by a value of 1. So if I were to take negative 4 times 3, that gives me negative 12. And negative 4 plus 3 gives me a sum of negative 1. So using the decomposition method, I want to take the middle term, or the negative x term, and break that apart into positive 3x and negative 4x. I then want to take the first two terms and treat them as a pair, and the second two terms and treat those as a pair as well. Looking at the first two terms, I see that I've got a common factor of 3 and x that I could factor out of both. So if I factor 3x out, I have 2x remaining in that bracket, plus 1. Here, I see that I could factor negative 2 out of both, so I'll do that. And again, I'll have a positive 2x remaining in there, plus 1. So looking here and here, I see that I have 2x plus 1 present in both now. So I'd like to factor that to the front. Removing that factor from the first pair, I only have 3x left. And removing that from the second pair, I only have negative 2 left. Thus giving me the factored form of 6x squared minus x minus 2 to be 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 2.